Heyo, it's Serpent Sir, and today I'm going to teach you how to wrap a present. Yeah, so a lot of people know how to do this already, but a lot of you don't. I don't, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. And I also need to get a video out for December because I don't have a video idea right now, and this is the video idea. And I also have this white elephant thing going on at my print shop. I should take advantage of this time. Anyway. So for supplies, it's on the screen. You'll need scissors, wrapping paper, your gift, tape, and a whole lot of patience. Like a lot, okay? And what else you'll need? Oh, Serpent Sir merch available. No, I'm joking. There's no Serpent Sir merch. I don't know. Okay. So, how about we just head over to the amazing workshop where we do all of our projects. Yeah. The bedroom carpet floor. Let's go. Okay, so I have this small toy, unnamed toy for reasons. I'm not gonna name it. You want to get a fair amount. Eye it first, and then you want to lay your toy out. And then pull the wrapping paper over to about halfway and make sure that's enough. You want to get your special super hold tape. The wrapping tape I didn't buy. I looked at it and I didn't, because this one's magic tape and it came with a free super hold tape for free. I repeat, for free. Anyway, don't use that one. That one's for other projects. We're gonna use that for some reason. Okay, so grab your tape. Anyways, while you're doing this, start to remember that you paid $5 for this wrapping paper, and you thought it was $2.50, and you actually paid double, thinking it was $2.50, and now you feel bad because you made your mom pay double the price. And yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Anyway, fold it over. You want to get it about halfway. And wait, do we tape that?
Bruh.
Yes, we do, obviously. Ooh, but before you do that, you want to get this thing to about halfway. I mean, less than what it actually is, you know? Less than the top. That's what I meant. Oh, I think I underdid it. I'm underachieving. Oh gosh. Alright. We should probably trim.
Bruh.
Should just probably trim this because the gift ends right here. So we're gonna cut everything after here. Yay! Great. You tape this side. Now you gotta tape the other side, obviously. And if you notice, I did this wrong. Don't click off. I know what I'm doing. It's gonna pay off in the end. I'm doing this on purpose. And you want to seam the sides to make it more square, if you know what I mean. Okay, here's the fun part. Here's the part you realize you put too much wrapping paper on one side and too little wrapping paper on the other side. But that's okay. It's gonna be fun. Let's untape this. Oh god. Oh god. No, you messed up your wrapping paper. Don't say I messed up your gift. You're gonna wanna fold down. You see that? I'm folding down. Crease, seam, make it sharp. You see that? And you wanna fold that in. Make it like it's gonna be a box soon. And then fold that up. Now once again, I didn't use enough wrapping paper. But it works, see? I'm going to do that again on the other side, but you fold it inward. Not inward. Inward. Pull it up. And yeah, and you tape that. I swear this is out of frame. I'll do it on the other side, I promise. Phone camera. so I can show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, how do we do this? Let's put that right here. Gosh. Ew. Ew. How do I balance this? What do I balance it? Oh, is that good? It's good enough. Alright, that's recording. So, I'm gonna help you out as best as I can. Okay, we used a lot. We have a lot to spare, but don't worry. Just cut off a little bit. Don't cut off all of it. It's better to have too much wrapping paper than too little, because now you look dumb taping layers and layers of wrapping paper just so the gift is not visible. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold down gently, gosh darn it. Oh my god. You wanna folding down gently. You see that? Fold in. That's what he said. Fold in. Whatever that means. I'm joking. Make it sharp like a box. Yeah? Okay. Is that folded in yet? Did you fold it in? Very good, very good. Now we're gonna rewatch this little part of the tutorial. When they say fold in, they meant this. Okay? It's just, gosh, I'm covering it. I'm so sorry. I'm doing, this is like my first, no. How many tutorials have I done? 2 Pokemon tutorials, 1 DIY thing, and oh gosh, let's just tape some stuff so it doesn't mess us up in the future. Okay, folded it in. Look at that. Doesn't that look like it's gonna fit on the side of a present? Right, you're gonna pull it up and look at that. Are you looking? Now, it does look like you used a little too much on one side. That's all right. This is gonna get torn up. Remember, you made a beautiful present today. Look at the top. See? That's beautiful. You would get your bow and slap it on there, but I kind of forgot to buy one of those, and now that I think about it, I feel pretty dumb. But this isn't for under the tree. This is for White Elephant, okay? So stop complaining and get what you're getting. I think that's it. Yeah, I mean, get a sticker to blank from blank, put that bow on there, and frisbee that thing under the tree. Okay, here's your gift. I wanted to give this for you. My hat. My hat. Oh god. Okay. Sorry about that. I forgot my hat. Let me just put it on real quick. Did that look normal? That was supposed to look normal. Anywho, thanks for watching. Hope you had you learned something. This helped me because usually my presents look like trash. Thanks for watching. Hope you wrap some more presents using this method. That totally is original. I didn't watch a tutorial on how to do it. And thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and comment what you want to see next on the channel. And yeah, peace out.
Damn, baby, come jump off the roof with me, live off your youth with me before they shooting me. With all they cameras and bullets, I swear I'm the man up in front with the hooligans. Yeah, I'ma withstand to be